This is a demo of the MAST Data Discovery Portal's charting feature and how it interacts with the grid and the Astroview tool. I have here some MAST results that I pulled up for M60. To activate the charting feature, click on this chart button. First, you'll notice that the color of the dots in the charting feature are the same color as the ones used in Astroview. If, for example, you had another chart window open, you could use this to distinguish the footprints that you're interacting with currently. Selection can be done the same way as in Astroview by clicking on it. It picks all the points that are closest to it, selects them in the grid, and it also selects them in Astroview. Alternatively, you can click and drag to select. This selects a box. You see that they've been highlighted over here. Whenever you make a box selection, it'll remove any other selection that you have. For example, however, this poke selection is additive. So you can poke here and here. It just keeps appending. You can also remove with the poke. One feature that you'll notice is that by default, RA is counting the wrong direction across the sky. So for example, if you were using RA, you probably want to reverse the axis. You see that it's listed in the other order now. You can change your ranges using these sliders. Alternatively, you could edit it. And then you want to apply this range, and you see that our new range has been selected. Columns that are recognized as being integers are treated slightly differently. The grid lines will snap to these integers. When you change with the slider, you see that it's snapping to the integers for you. And if you were to try to enter a decimal number and apply the range, it automatically makes it an integer. Over here, I have a Nomad catalog from the virtual observatory. I can turn on these footprints. As you can see, the color is different, as I mentioned. This way you can distinguish which footprints that you're currently working with. It's possible to do arithmetic on columns. Down here, this last entry in either series list is combine columns. This lets you do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of the columns. For example, you may want to do B minus V against B. I'll give you a line, you can see your outliers. This concludes the demo of the charting feature. For more of our demos, please visit our YouTube site, STScI MAST.